What are the most in-demand roles in the construction industry right now, and why?
The most in-demand roles in construction reflect the industry's focus on growth, sustainability, and advanced technology integration. What I'm personally seeing in the market is the greatest need for project managers, especially senior project managers. With the increase in construction projects, experienced project managers are needed to oversee operations, budget management, and stakeholder coordination. Another role that I'm seeing an increased need for is a site manager or superintendent role. These professionals ensure that work on site is completed safely, on time, and within scope. I'm also seeing a great need for civil engineers right now. The demand for infrastructure improvements and urban development is driving the need for civil engineers with expertise in sustainable building practices. At Blue Signal, we specialize in connecting construction companies with top-tier talent to meet their growing needs. Leveraging my industry expertise and network, I recruit skilled professionals for in-demand and specialized roles. As an executive recruiter in the construction space, I'm passionate about helping companies build high-performing teams that drive growth, increase revenue, and achieve lasting success.
What challenges do construction companies face when it comes to finding and retaining skilled workers?
Some key challenges that construction companies are experiencing in hiring and retention include 1, labor shortage. There's an ongoing labor shortage of skilled laborers, particularly in skilled trades like plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and welding. This labor shortage has worsened post-pandemic as experienced workers retire and fewer younger workers enter the industry. This has created a pretty large talent gap. Another challenge is competition from other industries. Construction companies now face increased competition from other industries like manufacturing or warehousing, which also needs skilled laborers. This drives wages higher and makes it harder for smaller firms to compete for talent. Regarding retention, high turnover rates are driven by tough working conditions, long hours, and job instability during economic downturns. Workplace safety and conditions are another factor. Safety concerns and a lack of work-life balance contribute to the challenge of retaining talent. In response, I see many companies I work with focus more on upskilling their current workforce and working with search firms like Blue Signal to address these shortages. Additionally, increasing wages, offering better benefits, and improving work conditions are strategies being used to attract younger workers back into the construction industry. Focus.
What advice would you give to companies struggling to fill critical roles in the construction sector?
My advice for companies finding it difficult to fill key positions is, number 1, continue to upskill your existing workforce. Invest in training programs that enable current employees to take on more advanced roles so that you can maintain a balance of both tenured and more green employees within your organization. I also recommend flexible hiring models. Consider using contractors, freelancers, or part-time workers to fill immediate gaps while developing long-term talent strategies. One of the most important things you can do is improve company branding. In this day and age, your company's digital footprint is everything. If we work together, our award-winning marketing team creates a customized campaign and storyboard pamphlet for each search that we launch. We highlight your company's culture, career development opportunities, and commitment to employee well-being to make your organization more attractive to potential hires. Also, leverage your personal network for recruitment. Make sure to post open roles on your LinkedIn and your social media to reach a larger and more diverse talent pool. I also see companies hosting virtual job fairs and online networking events to increase visibility. Also, partnering with educational institutions. Collaborating with trade schools, colleges, and vocational programs can help companies create a pipeline of talent by offering internships, scholarships, and mentorships. If you've exhausted all of the options that I mentioned and are still having trouble filling a critical role, Blue Signal is here to help. Contact me to schedule a meeting so that we can discuss your options and explore how I can be a valuable resource for your hiring needs.